Hi, friends. Music, its role in the medical world. A very interesting topic. It fascinates me for more than 5 decades, and I've been observing, learning, exploring, learning from people who are musicians, learning from people who sing, fully learning from people who listen to the music. And it has been really very interesting journey, and I thought I would share some of it with you, my dear friends. I am Dr. Rajiv Anand, psychiatrist and marriage counselor, practicing in Bombay for last almost 43 years. And here is some learning out of it. How does music play a role in so many different ways? Would you like to know how music can? I got opportunity to watch Bhimsen Joshi or Shobha Gotu or many other top level Pandit Raj in live and also on video Balakrishna Murthy or other lady from the South India Carnatic music, forgetting the name, many of them, and I continue staring at their face and continue wondering when I was relatively younger, what is so special about them? They have a serenity. They have different kind of aura on their face, different kind of peace on their face, different kind of happiness, ecstasy on their face. It took me further, deeper into learning, exploring what it could be, and then I realized they are in meditation when they are listening to music or when they are singing music. They are lost totally in the music. They are totally disconnected from this external world. They're totally immersed in that music, and that by itself is meditation. And that's where I grew my curiosity to learn more about music, how it can be, how it can help many of us ordinary people in the life. And there I learned that there's so much music can help, and so much has been written about, so much has been talked about. If I continue talking, this would not finish in one video. It may require possibly two videos. Let me try to do justice with one video minimum. Music really reduces stress and anxiety, and it has a very unique calming effect on our psyche. It provides outlet for plenty of suppressed emotions. It gives a pleasant, euphoric experience like romance, like love, like better life, happier future. Innumerable number of emotions do pass through our mind when we are listening to music of different genres. Music really helps reduce our experience of pain, physical and at emotional level. Music also helps us get better in sound sleep. If you decide to hear it 20-30 minutes before going to sleep, I have a client couple and they every night before going to sleep for 30-40 minutes, they listen to classical music by a particular singer and they get lost in that. Was the name of the singer? Chakravarti. Music gives boost to your self-esteem and confidence. Music help you widening platform for social bonding, social interaction, and reducing feeling of loneliness. I have been attending last 3.5, 4 months. I've attended at least 40 live program to see, watch, interact, and learn how people interact, how people are jovial, how they share, and how they really look very happy bonding with each other over the music. Music works as antidepressive. Yes, what I'm saying is right. As a psychiatrist, it works as antidepressive, and this is a non-chemical agent for mood elevation. We use plenty of medicines. Millions worth of medicines are sold across the world under the label of mood elevators, while music is the simplest, inexpensive, easy to afford and safe, non-side effect producing, non-toxic way of elevating mood. Music also serves in multiple ways to take away toxic obsession with body symptoms and other dissatisfaction in life. Yes, toxic obsession, यहाँ दर्द है वहाँ दर्द है ये हुआ वो हुआ लाइफ में कुछ खुशी नहीं है कोई सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं है कोई अपना नहीं है वगैरह वगैरह हम सब की कहानी है म्यूजिक takes us away from that. And interestingly, those who listen to music, they begin feeling themselves young and remain young as they develop extraordinary ability to adapt and accept whatever happens in their life. जो होता है दुनिया में होता है वही होकर रहता है. हम उसे डिनाई करते हैं, नकारते हैं, आंखें बंद करना चाहते हैं, मानना नहीं चाहते, एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहते. वहीं से हमारे सारे दुख दर्द शुरू होते हैं. म्यूजिक सुनने से हमारे अंदर वो कैपेसिटी आती है, जो हो रहा है हो रहा है हो रहा है होने दो, एंजॉय करो लाइफ को. म्यूजिक एनहांसेस आवर प्रैक्टिकल इंटेलिजेंस and also indirectly our emotional health. Our emotional health, a very vital thing for our life. Those who listen to music regularly, or many of us who hum or sing, become far better human beings as they have objective, healthy attitude towards various ups and downs in life, towards various challenges in life. They are ready to face any kind of challenge because they have a very healthy, strong, balanced attitude towards many events which have happened in the past, which are happening, which may happen in future. Now, after having said so about the music, even though I'm not the one who play music on an instrument, I'm not the one who has a good voice to sing the song. Yes, I may hum, pass, I have sang also. But being medical practitioner with reasonable busy schedule, I can't practice music singing. I tried to attend the classes, learning classes, but I could not. But my fascination over the music and its potential effect on human life, human mind, human psyche, human happiness. That has not diminished at all. So here I am to share with you therapeutic effects of ragas. Ragas. You know that stress relief, who is not stressed these days, can be achieved easily through ragas like Yaman, Kafi, and Patadi. They calm the mind and reduce the stress. Or, for the matter, anxiety and depression, every second person does have. Ragas like Todi, Bhairav or Darbhari, Kannada are believed to elevate anxiety and depression. In next segment of video, I will share with you some of the popular songs of these popular ragas. For the time being, let's talk about sleep disorders. So many people consume so many hypnotic sedative drugs. Well, they have easy access to Brindavani Rag, Khamad Raj, Charukeshi Rag, which can really help in the sleep patterns. Pain management. Durga Shri Rag, Hamir Rag can reduce the physical pain. And since the time immemorial, all these ragas have been used traditionally to take care of our physical and emotional health. Memory improvement. Ragas like Mohana, Arabi, and Shri are said to improve memory and cognitive function. Now, who doesn't have emotional imbalance, including me, many times? Also you. If you dare to deny it, that's your choice. But everybody needs an emotional balance. Ragas like Yaman, Kafi, and Pradeep can help balance emotions and can reduce emotional turmoil substantially. Even for our spiritual growth, ragas like Bhairav, Todi, and Darbari Kannada are believed to promote spiritual growth and self-awareness. So much is there about the music through various ragas which are played in different times of the day and the night. A study published in the Journal of Music Therapy found that listening to Indian classical music reduces stress and anxiety in patients undergoing surgery. Also, let me share with you the research published in a Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that ragas improve cognitive function in individuals with Alzheimer's disease. Also, another study which I found that Indian classical music reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety in patients with chronic illnesses. And how ragas work therapeutically? First, that is brainwave and entrainment. Ragas can synchronize brain waves with the rhythmic patterns, promoting relaxation and reduces stress. Emotional resonance. Ragas evoke different kind of emotion, helping to process and release emotional blockages. Vibrational healing ragas do is specific frequencies in vibrational ragas can balance the body's energy centers, that is chakras. And neuroplasticity, many of us have heard this name from medical word, neuropsychiatry. The word neuroplasticity, that's listening to ragas can rewire the brain, promoting new neural connection and improving cognitive function. So raga therapy is practiced by trained musicians, music therapists, and healthcare professionals. And they use different kind of ragas tailored to individual needs to promote healing and well-being. Yes, lot of research is going on and would go on for years. You also have heard there are innumerable number of ragas. Somewhere I read there are 4,000 ragas. And like you, I also found it difficult to believe 4,000 ragas. But practical estimate is somewhere between 400 to 1,000 ragas are there in various traditions or with regional variation or with modern composition. Some of the popular raga which I narrated a few minutes back, Yaman, Kafi, Durga, Bhairav, Todi, Patadi, Darbari Kannada, Adana, Kamaj, Brindavani. And many of these ragas have got inherent potential of helping you get cured, helping you feel better, helping you move on from the state of psychological physical pain. Just 12 minutes of this video has helped you open your eyes to vast potential music has. Would you still remain deaf or ignorant about the music? No. From today onwards, begin having a taste of it. Bring it into your life every day, everywhere, every breath, every moment, and recharge yourself and refresh your life and reinvent yourself and relaunch yourself. Wish you all the best. This is your friend, Dr. Rajiv Anand, psychiatrist and marriage counselor. Have a great life.